To pose in your Roblox profile picture. Start by opening the Roblox app on your iPhone or Android phone. Ensure you're logged into the account where you want to create the profile picture. Next, select your profile picture in the bottom menu, which will display your avatar. Choose Edit Profile Picture at the bottom, and then select Emote to pose your avatar. This will allow you to browse through various emotes, which can be used to change your avatar's pose. If you want more options, you can scroll down to purchase additional emotes. Once you've selected your desired pose, click Next. Your pose will be updated, but you can make further adjustments by zooming out using the toggle and rotating your avatar to create a unique look. After making the desired changes, select Next to preview your profile picture. You can view your entire avatar or zoom in for a close-up. If you're not satisfied, you can hit the back button to make changes. When you're happy with your profile picture pose, select Save, and it will be updated. You can then return to your avatar by selecting the Home button and refresh the page to see your new profile picture.